a dream I know. Deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news now we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name. Amen. I get video wey I want present to una this very moment, and I go dey follow una dey watch the video. After we don watch am together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
Yes, breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. Any moment from now, they go arrest me. And when you hear say they don't arrest me, you don't need to be afraid at all. Information reaching me just now that Madam Blackie Omorege Ogiame, because I exposed her for 100 million naira when Edo State government give her to share for poorest of the poorest, for poorest of the poorest Edo market women. And we protest to EFCC and submit petition. We protest to Edo State government house. He has perfected a plan with the CSO Edo State government house. So as we speak now, they perfect the plan this evening. The Madam Blackie Omorege write petition that my person come with lock your rugby threat of life. The title of that petition is threat of life. And the CSO government house, CSO to Mr. Godwin Obaseki, the petition will be submitted to him this evening. And I know that the governor of the state, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, is not aware of this demonic plan. What we are saying, issue of 100 million that Adams Ali Oshomole give to Madam Blackie to share for Edo market women across the 3 senatorial districts in Edo State. That is the petition I submit to EFCC, I submit to ICPC, I submit to the Commissioner of Police, I submit to DSS, I submit to Edo State House of Assembly, I submit to Mr. Godwin Obaseki and Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Philip Shaibu. I also submit to the Chief of Staff and Oredo local government. So, this evening, information reaching me now that Madam Blackie Omorege Ogiame want to use the office of the CSO in Edo government house to arrest me so that the truth will be swept under the carpet. You can't kill the messenger. You can't kill the message. That is the plan they have planned with the CSO Edo government house now. As we speak, I will be arrested any moment from now. And I'm calling international communities, human rights community, Edo community all over the world. When we say Edo must move forward, we must stop corruption. We must expose corruption. Just on Sunday here, in Zoom meeting, Blackie Omorege agree that Adams Ali Oshomole give her 100 million. That 100 million is not given to Blackie. It's not a birthday gift. The money was made to empower Edo market women. So I want to advise the CSO, Edo State Government House. Please don't let Madam Blackie Ogiame Omorege use your office to intimidate the truth. Because I can never be intimidated. I can never ever be intimidated. CSO, if they use your office to arrest me, the human rights community will protest to police commission in Abuja. What we are saying here is 100 million naira that Edo government give to Madam Blackie 2013 to share for Edo market women. We are asking, let Madam Blackie bring financial statements, how it is share the money, give Edo state market women. Because that 100 million, Edo North market women supposed to benefit from it. Edo North market women, Auchi people, Owa people, Afema people supposed to benefit from the 100 million. Edo Central, that is Esaland, the women, the Edo Central market women supposed to benefit from it. The Edo South market women supposed to benefit from it. But as we speak today, we have went for a research. This is 8 years today. And we will speak truth to power. We not see any woman will benefit from the 100 million. Is that why you want to use the office of the CSO for Edo government house to arrest Comrade Lucky Orukpe for coming out to speak the truth? Do you think we are afraid of prison? Do you think that we are afraid of cell? Do you think that we are afraid to speak truth to power? Madam Blackie Omodege, I'm asking you, because the petition you submit about 3 hours ago, you said threat of life. Comrade Lucky Orukpe is threatening your life, and some other thing that you are rent. That is a satanic petition. What we are saying, the 100 million naira they give to you to share for Edo market women. Come and give EFCC. Come and give EFCC the financial statement, how you disburse the money. We have written a petition to different quarter. CSO, Edo State Government House. This is the petition we write to Governor, Mr. Godwin Obaseki. Mr. Godwin Obaseki should set up independent committee to investigate Madam Blackie Omodege Ogiame for the 100 million. After all, my own governor is one of the governors in Nigeria that is fighting corruption. This is the petition we submit to Mr. Godwin Obaseki. This is the petition we also submit. The CSO, this is the petition we submit to Commissioner of Police, Edo State Command. This is a petition we submit to Chief of Staff, Government House. I am showing the CSO all this petition for you to know that we have gone far. We need accountability. We need accountability. They can't use your office to intimidate Comrade Lucky Orukpe. This is a petition we submit to the Deputy Governor, Edo State, on this subject matter, 100 million naira matter. This is a petition we submit to ICPC for investigation, to investigate Madam Blackie Omodege Ogiame. This is a petition we submit to EFCC. EFCC, Edo State Command, 2 weeks from today, if Blackie Omodege Ogiame is not invited to your office to tender the statement of account that he used to pay that 100 million to Edo market women, the numbers of the beneficiary and their names, and let them appear physically, we shall take our protest to Abuja. EFCC, take note of that. 2 weeks. That is what we are saying. Blackie Ogiame must be investigated. This is a petition to Edo State House of Assembly, where we submit 31 copies of this letter. Mr. Speaker, Marcus Onobun, please, that house is Edo people's house. We want you and the honorable members there that is representing the 3 senatorial district to invite Madam Blackie Omodege Ogiame to investigate the 100 million that Adansale Oshomole give to her to disburse to Edo market women. Edo State House of Assembly, we have every representative in 18 local government in that house. That money we are supposed to be disbursed to Edo market women in 18 local governments. Mr. Speaker, take note of that we are submitting petition. History will never forget if you people don't attend to this petition. This one is DSS. SSSS. I want to say thank you, DSS. They have invited me and I tell them my whole part. It was a robust meeting. This is another petition to the local government where they disbursed that money to Madam Blackie Omorege. That meeting was held in Sapele Road in Magwero Hall, where the Adasalio Shobole pronounced the 100 million that they give to Madam Blackie, that we are asking for accountability today. I know any moment from now, Madam Blackie has formed alliance with the CSO government house to arrest me. Edo people all over the world, take note of this. The human rights community also take note of this. Our broadcast. The international community take note of this. I also beg the United Nations international community to set up a team to come to Edo State to join the EFCC and the ICPC and Edo State government to investigate this 100 million naira that Adasalio Shobole give to Blackie Omorege Ogiame to share for Edo market women. I must quick correct one thing in people's mind. Madam Blackie Ogiame Omorege is a coordinator to one association, Edo Market Women Association. And Oshobole did not give Edo Market Women Association that money. Oshobole give Edo Market Women, not association. When we say Edo Market Women, Oshobole said, why I give Edo State Market Women 100 million across the 3 senatorial districts. We have national papers. We have the statement where Oshobole do all this. And Blackie Omorege Ogiame has agreed that the 100 million was being given to her. So how did you disburse it? How did you share it for the Edo Market women across the 3 senatorial districts? I was not expecting even 1 naira in that money because it's not for men. That money was made for Edo Market women. But Blackie Ogiame invited me in that 2013 to help her to go and announce inside our market in Oredo, New Benin, Agbado, Oba market, and some other market that all the women that is selling, the poorest of the poorest, the traders, they should come to Urokota Hall. That Adasalio Oshobole want to support their business, want to empower them, which I did in that 2013 as a faithful servant. Only New Benin market, we mobilized all over 100 and something women and 12 bus driver was on ground, 12 buses was on ground to convey these women to Imagwero Hall. On reaching Imagwero Hall, Madam Blackie began to tell these women they must buy green hair tie by force, by fire, before they can enter the venue. Because these women was expecting empowerment, they have no choice. They begin to buy the green hair tie from Madam Blackie for 400 naira for one. While this program was going on, I tell Madam Blackie, we have to settle the bus drivers that convey these women here. He said, wait first. And the bus drivers, they were embarrassing me that day. And somebody come to Shorty that they should not worry, they will get their money. It took Madam Blackie a month and 3 days to bring 100,000 naira to pay those bus driver. As we speak, is that why Madam Blackie Ogiame want to use the office of the CSO to intimidate me, to arrest me? So Edo people all over the world, this information, we just get this information about 3 hours ago. I said, okay, it is very important I come out to talk to the human rights community, the Edo community all over the world, the international community, and Nigeria at large. We will continue to fight corruption. We will continue to fight corruption. Corruption We must kill corruption. We will kill corruption. We are talking about corruption. CSO, my advice for you, do your work in government house. Don't let Madam Blackie or Omorege Ogiame use your office. Unless people that are involved in that 100 million, God will expose all of them. That money was made for poorest of the poorest of the poorest of the traders. I do not belong to any political party. I'm just a human rights activist. I will continue to speak truth to power. I have sent message to the human rights lawyers across Nigeria that this is the information I'm hearing. That Madam Blackie Omorege want to use the office of the CSO, Edo State Government House, to arrest Comrade Lucky Orukpe because we protested to EFCC. Come and give account. Come and give account. When you arrest Comrade Lucky Orukpe today, we have more than 1,000 Comrade Lucky Orukpe inside the Traders Welfare Union. You must bring all the records, the statement of accounts, the names of the beneficiary, the phone numbers of the beneficiary, because that money is a taxpayer's money. The 100 million is not a personal money, it's a taxpayer's money. It's a taxpayer's money. So you must give account of it. So all our coordinators in all markets, in Edo State, in the local government, take note of this information that any moment from now, the CSO government house will arrest me. So we'll continue to speak truth to power. We are not afraid of any intimidation. I want to say, my brothers and sisters, no, this one is say, we will close market and protest to anywhere. All right? We will close market and protest to anywhere. See, this 100 million naira matter is not Comrade Lucky's matter. Not be my matter. This matter na Edo State money and na taxpayers money. Every Edo person all over the world without settlement suppose join Comrade Lucky Orukpe to ask Blackie Omorege Ogiame where the 100 million, how you take share am. The 100 million supposed to reach the 3 senatorial districts for women, petty traders. Yes, am I asking too much? Okay, right now, Blackie Ogiame Omorege on Sunday, last week Sunday, he agreed on a comrade show in London in a Zoom meeting that it is true that Asali Oshomole gave her 100 million. And how did you share it? He couldn't say anything again. Couldn't say anything. So let everybody be at alert for this information. A lot of money, a lot of empowerment. We don't come inside a Edo market. We know they reflect. We want to know where this money is going to. Freedom come oh, by struggle. Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom come oh, by struggle. Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom come. Freedom must come for traders. Today in Edo State, when government build market, Blackie Omorege Ogiame and his association of Iya Egbe, they will take possession of all the shop before they start selling for traders. Go to Oba Market today. Go and find out how many shop Iya Egbe get there. Go to New Benin Market. Go to Ekiosa. Go to Agbado Market. Are we going to keep quiet? Are we going to keep quiet? I pray, make the CSO come arrest me because I did talk truth. All my viewers all over the world, in case you want to reach me, the number to reach me +234 805384 17 81 plus 234 80 53 84 1781. Yes, this one say you work for election well. No, see, let me tell you something. I am not I do not belong to any political party. I do not belong to any political party, and I can never be a member of any political party. I'm just a human rights activist. I'm just a whistleblower for corruption. Yes, the work when I work for Mr. Godwin Obaseki, I work am because Mr. Godwin Obaseki, we see the pattern of good governance in him. I always support Mr. Godwin Obaseki, his style of good governance. I always support Mr. Godwin Obaseki, his style of governance by sweeping Agbero away inside our market and some other things when he don't do. Now make me support Mr. Godwin Obaseki. It is true. The work when I work for Mr. Godwin Obaseki, even if they give Blackie or Morege 10 years, you know if you work on, make una connect Blackie, make it they hear me. Yes. Nobody give me 1 error for election. Mr. Godwin Obaseki did not give me 1 error. Did not give me 1 error. Did not give me 1 error. We mobilize. We campaign for good governance. I was not expecting money or appointment. All I'm telling the Edo State government, stop evil union in our market. Disband the Yagbe. They are worse than land grabbers. They are the one. They are the reason why things are very expensive in our market today. Iyagbe for tomatoes, Iyagbe for pepper, Iyagbe for rice, Iyagbe for beans, Iyagbe for red oil, Iyagbe for groundnut oil, Iyagbe for meat, Iyagbe for okra, Iyagbe for pepper fruit, Iyagbe for egile, Iyagbe for wheelbarrow. Everything are junior. Is that why Madam Blackie Omorege Ogiame want to use the office of the CSO to arrest me? And they wait for her. Wanna come arrest me? EFCC they wait for her. EFCC they wait for Madam Blackie Ogiame. DSS invite me. They invite her. Why not go DSS? Why not go DSS? We know the function of the CSO. We know your function. So don't let them use your office to intimidate truth. To intimidate Comrade Lucky Orukpe. Because even if they use your office to succeed to do what they want to do, more than 1,000 people will protest and continue the matter in court. Are you hearing me? We are ready. We have our evidence. Oshobola say why I give Edo market women 100 million. Not the money that he gave to Blackie is not be Blackie money. It's taxpayers' money. I have the right to know how Madam Blackie Omorege Ogiame to share the money. Yes, we want to know how to share them and how many people benefit. Paraventure say go the fake names and number. You know, go fake statement of account. Yes. The human rights lawyers, they are waiting in court for Madam Blackie Ogiame for cross-examining. How did you spend Edo State money? Thank you.